We want to work smarter, not harder. We want to deliver the best quality for our customers, and we want to have fun with work.
Today I'm in Austria and I'm really close to other countries as well. In fact, where we are here at Scherrer, this is a company that is close to Germany. It's in Austria, but it's also close to Switzerland and also Liechtenstein. Norbert Scherrer is the owner of the business, and we're going to talk to him about his company, what he does, the local region, and this fabulous machine tool that he purchased just 12 months ago from Ibarmia. Norbert, nice to see you.
Hello, welcome to the Scherrer company.
Well, tell us a little bit about the business, because we do a lot around Europe. We travel a lot to Germany and Italy, Switzerland, but I think this is the first time I've been in Austria for a while. So what do you do here at Scherrer?
We are here situated in the border near Switzerland and Germany and Liechtenstein, and we are producing some special parts for our customers. The customers like our big parts from our Ibarmia machine, and they like our service.
And your machining capacity, so you do 5-axis machining, turning, you've got a welding bay, fabrication. You're quite a diverse business, aren't you? I mean, when did you start? When was the company founded?
The company was founded in 1996. We started in Rankwell, and now we are in Völkirch. Here in Völkirch we have 1,000 square meters to produce precise parts on our 7 CNC machines.
Okay, now this is one of them. This was purchased, as I said, 12 months ago. This is the Generation 6 from Ibarmia, isn't it? I mean, this is the ZVH45 L3000. Tell me a little bit about the background behind why you bought this machine. What was the reasons for it?
12 months ago we have ordered a new machine at the Ibarmia factory in Spain. It's a new machine from the Generation 6, and we wanted a machine with a long table, a round table, and a tilting head with a spindle cooled through the spindle.
And why did you want this setup? I mean, if we take a look at this here, you've obviously got this additional axis to be able to 5-face machine, the tipping head, as you said. What was the sort of vision? Why did you want something this flexible?
Our parts are so different and the materials are so different, so we need a machine which you can work very flexible. And with the round table, you can make the parts ready on 5 sides of the parts and have a very good accuracy and a very good quality of the parts.
Often we find on our channel that companies, they have a part, they have a problem, so they go and buy a new machine. But that was very different for you, wasn't it? You reinvest every year, maybe in new technology. This was just to give you more flexibility.
We buy every 2-3 years a new machine, and then we buy the next generation of the machine. We want the newest control, we want a good spindle, we want a good current on the machine, and you buy a new machine, a new technology, not an old technology.
The tools that you have on this, now sometimes these machines only have 40 tools, 60 tools, 80 tools, but you have a whopping 224 tools on here?
224 tools, that's right.
Yeah, why do you need so many?
We need so many tools because of the different materials we are working on the machine here.
So you keep them set, and keep a lot of tools set in the machine.
And you can save very much time when you're changing the next product and you have the tools inside of the machine. You're faster than all others on the market.
And with this particular model, Norbert, this is the Generation 6, which is the new revision from Ibarmia. One of the things is the control. If we step backwards, you've got the new TNC7 control from Heidenhain. Is this much better?
We'll use on all machines the Heidenhain control, and the new Heidenhain control in this machine, it's more comfortable, it's very security, and it has a touch screen, and the graphics is very good.
And the other aspect of the Gen 6 is the head comes down very close to the table, doesn't it? What advantage does that give you, having the head down here?
The minimum to the table is 200 millimeters, and so you can put the part near to the table. It's very good for the accuracy for the work on the machine.
And then the other options and features that you have with the machine, I mean, has it got linear scales on here?
Oh no, this machine has built-in measurement into the glide ways of the machine. There are glide ways from Schneeberger built into the machine, and this makes the machine very accuracy for the temperature of the machine.
So like the thermal stability, yeah, it gives you great thermal stability for positional accuracy and long-term accuracy, I suppose.
Our shop is climated for summer and for winter, and we are looking for a temperature from 19 to 23 degrees maximum.
And this spindle, so this is a 12,000 RPM spindle.
Right.
Here. Have you got through spindle coolant on there as well, through spindle coolant, so that when you're doing some of those deep hole drilling operations?
There's a cooling through the spindle too. There's a high-speed pump up to 60 bars, and that's necessary for making deep hill rolls.
And your purchase of this machine, what was the whole experience like with Ibarmia? How would you describe everything that's gone on? You're obviously a happy customer of theirs. Tell us a little bit more about your relationship with them.
Oh, it's so comfortable to order a machine at the Ibarmia store in Spain. They have a good service here in Austria and Germany too, and you become every information you need.
Would you buy another Ibarmia, looking at this and the success that you've had with this machine? Would it be your first port of call if you're looking for another sort of machining centre solution? There are plenty of options out there, of course, but
if we would have more space here into the shop, we would buy a bigger one, because of the parts of our customers. They become bigger and bigger and longer. Maybe in 3 years, the next one.
And the local area here and your people that work here, how many employees have you got? How many people are working here at Scherrer?
There are only working 4 people here.
Only 4 of you?
And the boss too.
Yeah, okay, so
we all have to work for our customers, and it's so funny to work here. We have so much experience, and the staff also have to make their own program on a CEM and work on the machine too.
Okay, so they do everything. They're like
they make everything.
Yeah.
They have to talk with the customer. Yeah. They have to talk with the technician of the customer. Yeah. It's very interesting job for our staff.
What does the future hold for your company, Norbert? What's the next year or 2 look like? What are your plans?
We want to work smarter, not harder. We want to deliver the best quality for our customers, and we want to have fun with work. So we have a Ibarmia machine, and you have fun with work.
Good stuff. This is a fabulous place. I mean, the location is absolutely stunning, and it's great to see the installation of this machine. If you don't know about Ibarmia and the range of machines that they supply, hopefully this has given you quite an insight into what they're capable of. I mean, you look at this machine, travelling column machine, full 5-axis. This is the Generation 6 machine of this version, and of course there's more models than what you see here, but if you're after a very flexible, powerful, multi-function machine tool, then Ibarmia could be a solution for you. Norbert, thank you very much for your time. Great to meet you.
Thank you for visiting.
Good luck for the future. Thank you.
See you next time.
See you. Thank you.